Hello students, welcome back to my video class. In this video I will continue the lesson Advent of Europeans to India. In the first video we already learned how the Europeans arrived to India like Portuguese, Dutch, English, French. Later the competition started between English and French to control a supremacy over India. The finally when they try to be control over India, it causes three wars. They known as first Carnatic War, second Carnatic War, and third Carnatic War. So look here. So here is so before going to discuss about Carnatic War, now let's learn what is Carnatic. Carnatic means eastern part of Tamil Nadu. Eastern part of Tamil Nadu is known as Carnatic. Both English, French tried to exploit the situation in their favor. It led to three Carnatic War. Here, please remember the question: which part is known as Carnatic, or what is Carnatic? Carnatic means, please remember, eastern part of Tamil Nadu. Eastern part of Tamil Nadu is called Karnataka. Now we will look at first Carnatic War. First Carnatic War fought in 1746 to 48 between English and French. Here now we will look at what are the reasons for first Carnatic War. What are the reasons for first Carnatic War? So look at the first one reason. On the request of Dupleix, Laborde, a French military military leader from Mauritius, invaded Madras and captured it. Dupleix is a French governor general in India. He ordered Laborde to capture Madras. As the order of Dupleix, Laborde invaded Madras and captured it. So this is the first one reason for Carnatic War. Next, second one reason is this forced to the helpless British to request the help of Anwaruddin, the Nawab of Carnatic, for support. The army sent by Anwaruddin failed to defeat the French at Madras. So when usually Madras it was under the control of British. When the French invaded Madras, British requested the help of Anwaruddin. He was the Nawab of Karnataka. Anwaruddin accepted the request of British, and the army sent by under the leadership of Anwaruddin failed to defeat French at Madras. So this is the second one reason for Carnatic War. Next, third one reason is finally Laborde took money from English and returned to Madras and went back to Mauritius. So Laborde he invaded, he captured Madras. He took money from British. And he returned Madras and went back. So this is the third one reason for Carnatic War. When he took money and returned Madras, this enraged Dupleix and attempted to take Madras but failed in it. So when Laborde again gave back Madras, so again Dupleix tried to capture Madras but he was failed. So these are the three reasons for Carnatic War. And finally the first Carnatic War came to an end with the Aix-la-Chapelle Treaty. Aix-la-Chapelle Treaty. Please remember this is very important. By which treaty first Carnatic War came to an end? First Carnatic War came to an end with Aix-la-Chapelle Treaty. So these are the three reasons for Carnatic War. Please remember one by one. So this is about first Carnatic War. Next, second Carnatic War. Second Carnatic War fought between English and French from 1749 to 1754. So now let's learn what are the reasons for second Carnatic War. Reasons for second Carnatic War. The first one reason is before we going to discuss the reasons. Now we will look at briefly about second Carnatic War. In the changed circumstances, French made Salabat Jung, another son of Asaf Jah, as a Nizam of Hyderabad. Here, French made Salabat Jung, son of Asaf Jah, as a Nizam of Hyderabad. French he took initiality to made Salabat Jung as a Nizam of Hyderabad. An officer named Bussi stationed in Hyderabad for his protection by French. Bussi appointed to provide a protect for Salabat Jung. In Carnatic, Chanda Sahib was a Nawab with the help of French. So in Carnatic also, Chanda Sahib became a Nawab with the help of French. So this is the circumstances how the French and how the French made Nizam of Hyderabad, and later uh, Nawab of in the Nawab of Carnatic place. So this is the circumstances. Next, the reasons for Second Carnatic War. The first one reason for Second Carnatic War is Robert Clive East India Company attacked Arcot, the capital city of Karnataka, and defeated Chanda Sahib. Chanda Sahib he appointed as a Nawab with the help of French. But here is Robert Clive attacked Arcot and he defeated Chanda Sahib. So this is the first one reason for Second Carnatic War. Next one, second one reason is Chanda Sahib was imprisoned and later killed in this war. Chanda Sahib, which was appointed by French, he was later killed in this war. So this is the second one reason. Next, third one, in the place of Chanda Sahib, the English name Muhammad Ali, the son of Anwaruddin, as a Nawab of Karnataka. So when Chanda Sahib was killed, British made named Muhammad Ali as a son of Anwaruddin, Nawab of Karnataka. British appointed Muhammad Ali as a Nawab of Karnataka. And later, the Second Carnatic War ended with the Treaty of Pondicherry, French called Dupleix. When the Second Carnatic War in the hand of English, Dupleix went back to French. Please remember those three reasons for Second Carnatic War. Finally, Second Carnatic War came to an end with Treaty of Pondicherry. This is very important. Please remember by which treaty Second Carnatic War came to an end. Answer is Treaty of Pondicherry. And those three reasons for Second Carnatic War, you should keep it in mind. This is about Second Carnatic War. Next, this war brought Lural to English, while French suffered a political setback. After the Second Carnatic War, completely French lost some places, even though they defeated by British. So next is Third Carnatic War. Third Carnatic War fought between English and French 1756 to 1763. Now let's learn what are the reasons for Third Carnatic War. The reasons for Third Carnatic War, the first one is Count de Lally, a French attempted to besiege Vandivash in 1760. Vandivash, it is under the control of English. Here is Count de Lally, a French attempted to besiege Vandivash. So this is the first one reason. Next, second one reason is in this decisive battle, Sir Harcourt, the English army defeated the French and imprisoned Bussy. So in the Third Carnatic War, Sir Harcourt, under the leadership of Harcourt, English army defeated French and imprisoned Bussy. So this is the second one reason. Next, third one is Lally escaped and hid in Pondicherry. But Count de Lally, he didn't captured in the beginning. He escaped and hid in Pondicherry. Finally, Sir Harcourt attacked Pondicherry. Lally had to surrender unconditionally in 1761. Again, Sir Harcourt attacked Pondicherry to capture Count de Lally, who is hid in Pondicherry. So finally, he surrendered unconditionally in 1761. So these are the four reasons for Third Carnatic War. Please remember, definitely in the Third Carnatic War, 2 marks questions, 3 marks questions always appear. Like what are the reasons for Third Carnatic War? What are the reasons for Second Carnatic War? What are the reasons for Third Carnatic War? Reasons are very important. In the Third Carnatic War, reasons for Third Carnatic War, please remember these 4 points are reasons for Third Carnatic War. So this is about Carnatic Wars, reasons for 3 Carnatic Wars. So after, what are the effects of Carnatic Wars means French had to lose all their bases in India due to the Carnatic War. So in the beginning, when the war started between English and French, French completely defeated by the British and they lose all their places. In spite of this, as per the Treaty of Paris in 1761, Pondicherry was returned to French. As per the Treaty of Pondicherry, the British gave back Pondicherry, and later another one effect is with these developments, French lost their importance in India. They became weak after these three Carnatic War. French became very weak. British became very powerful, and like this, English by defeating all their rivals just started consolidating their power over southern India. So when after these three Carnatic War, completely southern India came under the control of British. So this is about Carnatic Wars. Three Carnatic Wars we learnt in this video. Please remember reasons for Carnatic Wars, and which are the questions I told in the middle. So those questions also please keep it in mind. Hope you understood. And in the description box I am going to provide questions. Please practice the questions. Thank you for watching this video.